Hello everyone, welcome to another short video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable or how you can turn off keyboard sound and vibration on your Samsung Galaxy F23 or F23 5G. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new in this channel. So if you want to enable or disable keyboard sound on your Samsung Galaxy F23 or F23 5G, just go to settings and now just open keyboard settings with me and just follow every step as I'm showing you in this video.